Good morning, students. Welcome to my online course on Advanced Microcontroller and its applications. Today we are going to learn installation of two softwares. First, MPLAB IDE version 8.30 and another is C18 C compiler. Guys, we know that this MPLAB software is used to program any kind of big microcontroller. So, for this advanced microcontroller lectures or course, we are going to program PIC18F458 IC. Guys, this MPLAB software, MPLAB stands for Microchip Programming Laboratory and IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. So, to program or to write code for any kind of PIC IC, we are going to use this MPLAB software. Also, for this software, we are going to use another C18 compiler, which is MPLAB C18C compiler. We all know that the use of compiler is it converts high-level programming language into machine language. So let's start today's session. Let's install MPLAB software, which is used to program PIC18F458 software IC. So this is what I have set up of MPLAB IDE 8.30 software. So this is what we have a setup file. So we need to double click on this particular file and we have to run the installation. Another file that we are going to install, that is MPLAB C18 C compiler. Okay, so let's start with the installation of first MPLAB 8.30. So I need to double click on this install MPLAB 8.30 software. Then it will give you a dialog box. You have to wait for a while for this dialog box. Yes, this is what the dialog box is. Now we are moving further for the installation. So here, first step is click on this next. Then you need to click on I accept the terms of the license agreement. Then again click on next. Then we need to install complete software of MPLAB. So select this complete. Click on next. Again, this in this particular folder your installation will takes place. Again click on next. Again one more time I accept the terms of license agreement. Again next. Again next. Again next, and wait for the installation. Here it is asking to install high-tech C installer, but we don't need the software, so we will click on no. This is what your installation is. Click on finish, and this will some read notes you will have. You can close it. Now this MPLAB icon is created on my desktop. This is what the software required to program the IC. Another software we will install, that is MPLAB C18C compiler. So you need to just double click on the software and just click on next. I accept, again next. This is what the folder where your files will be saved. Again click on this. Again you check all these checkbox. Next, you need not have to click or check this box. You skip this particular step. Simply click on next. Again next, and now all the required libraries or files will be installed in the C drive MCC18 folder. So we need to wait for that. Now your software to program PIC18F458 IC is ready. So we will simply open the software and we will check whether it is installed correctly or not. So yes, it's working. So we can design a project. Here we can bring the editor window. Here we can check the output in the view window. We can check different special function registers, file registers, hardware stack, ROM registers, etc. etc. So today's video was only on installation of this software. So our installation is ready. Thanks for watching.